Trust your process. Do the work. Complete your 5 tasks on the power list every day. And if you're doing those things, if you're honestly doing them, shit will work. It might take longer than you think. It might not be overnight success. It might not be $1 trillion in one fucking week like the internet says. You might not get ripped abs in fucking 7 minutes. But shit will happen. Things will work. The process will pay dividends. You just have to learn to pay attention to your actions, trust your actions, believe in your actions, and stay with your actions when shit gets hairy. That's where most people fuck up. That's where you're fucking up. So quit. All the other people who are building multi-million-dollar careers and lives and businesses, they've all figured out one thing. They know how to get themselves up and moving when they don't fucking feel like it. And it always comes down to discipline. So don't ask the question, how do I stay motivated? Because no one stays motivated. Ask the question, how do I develop the discipline to do the things that I know I need to do when I don't feel like doing them? That is the question, okay? Because it's really fucking easy for anybody to come to work on the days they feel like killing it and killing it. But what happens on the days that you don't feel like killing it?